Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, we'll show you how you can earn up to $500 a day or even more just by typing words. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up so that by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing. But stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money online quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily, so make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content, so you can be the first to try it out. Back to the focus of this video. We'll introduce you to this new money-making opportunity. Now we want to pay attention to the rates. This pertains to the money you'll earn for every word you type. In this name typing project, every page will have approximately 300 words, which has a rate of 10 cents per word. This is talentdesire.com, where the simple task of typing words can pay you $20 per page, a big salary prospect. And on this website, you may be given up to 20 pages in just a single day. And you can easily hit $400 or even $500 just by typing words. Now, if you go to talentdesire.com, you're offered opportunities to make money at home without investing anything. They also present work-from-home openings. These jobs include freelance blogging, online proofreading, translation, and surveys. However, we will be focusing on online typing jobs. It is the easiest to do and you won't need any experience or technical skills at all. In a year, you may have a gross salary of around $13,000 to $27,000. The registration on this website is totally free. There are no joining fees or any hidden expenses before and after you join, and their company would never ask for any contribution. It is also an excellent chance for people from all around the world. They accept individuals from India, Pakistan, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United Kingdom, the United States, and all other nations. This job pays a range of amounts based on your skill level from beginner to expert. And in a few moments, we will share with you a tip so that you can earn a higher rate. You can be paid as an expert even if you are a beginner and you'll be the first to know about it. Do you like the video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe button. If you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Let's return to the video. Now here's a tip that will help you earn at a better rate. First, go to ratchettype.com. This is a website where you can take free typing tests. Click on this yellow button that says, Start Typing Now, and you'll be sent to a different page. You can now start typing on your computer or your phone. We chose this website to take your speed typing test because ratchettype.com provides you with a certificate, and you can get the certificate for free. This will benefit you because it will increase the rate you earn, thus increasing your total earnings. This tip is to ensure that you get a rate of $20 per page. If you have this certificate, it will serve as proof that you can type fast and accurately. Your application will also be approved quicker, and you will have more and better job offers. When you start the typing test, it will begin to calculate the number of words you can type per minute as well as your accuracy. Keep watching to know how you can acquire the certificate and how to complete your application at talentdesire.com. However, keep in mind that your accuracy should be between 98% and 99.99% because higher accuracy will make you more money. Once you have finished the typing test, it will show you your typing speed and the results on your screen. If you think you type slow or have low accuracy, do not worry because you can always go back and retake the typing test. You can do this until you get your desired score, and it is entirely free. After that, look for the sign up button to register for a free account. And you'll need to do is enter your name, email address, and password. Click on this box that says, I agree to the terms and conditions, and again, the sign up button. After signing up for your free account, log in to Ratchet Type to proceed into your own dashboard. The dashboard will display your test results. Scroll down to see your certificate. Click on it and it'll transport you to a new page that says, Awarded to your name for typing in English. It will also display a signature from ratchettype.com that authenticates the certificate. If you scroll down a little more, you can click this print button or simply save the certificate as a PDF file by clicking the save button instead. Since you have acquired the typing certificate, you can now apply to talentdesire.com. Go back to their website and go to the very bottom of this page where you see the button that says Apply Now. Now listen and watch carefully because the registration page is tough to find. You may actually be lost searching for it. Once you are redirected to the application page, search for and click Select an application. You'll be taken to yet another page that finally shows an online application form for work-at-home jobs. At the bottom of this page, search for the link that says Fill in your details to apply and work with us. In this last redirect, you will need to fill in personal information, accept the privacy policy, and input your full name, email address, phone number, and country. If you got confused on the way here, feel free to rewatch this video for guidance. Let's proceed to the next step. Fill in your personal information. It is a necessary section that most people get wrong. In your preferred job title, put Online Typing Job exactly. Then put in what time is best for you. However, we recommend selecting all day because it will provide you more opportunities, which means you earn more. Lastly, pick the most comfortable way for you to receive your hard-earned money. You can choose between PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. Continue going down and select your current professional status. After filling out all the necessary details, proceed on clicking Yes on having read and accepted the above statement and put your signature. Take the capture button and finally submit. Once accepted for the job, you can start receiving the task, which earn you $20 for every page you accomplish. Make sure you submit on time to keep receiving more daily jobs. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as your guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the next video!